Have you ever wondered why do we sometimes hear cracking sounds in our bones? Why do these pop 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 sounds occur? So look, our bones have joints, and between these joints there is a sticky, thick liquid filled, which is called synovial fluid. The job of this liquid is to make the movement of our bones smooth, maintain flexibility, and prevent the bones from colliding with each other. But what happens is that when we do physical activities or stretch our bones, the liquid between these joints also gets stretched, and as a result, air bubbles form in that liquid. So, when these bubbles form and burst, that is when the popping sound occurs. Some people think that cracking bones can lead to arthritis, that bones can become weak. Beauty, that is not true. Do not crack them. My neck is stuck, mommy.